This is a beautiful sunny afternoon, April the 17th. I'm going to be doing a short farm tour here for you. We've got the baby camels laying out in the sunshine. We also have the adults out back on the grass now. Seems to be coming up nicely to where they're enjoying their grass. You can see some of them out behind the pond and then in the back pasture as well. So now we're out here in the barnyard. Babies are laying in the sunshine, sunning themselves. Hey darlings, you enjoying the sunshine? You don't need to get up. Hey, big boy. Stretch. There you go, girlie. Whoa, pop right up. You must have been sleeping. Hey, how you doing? You lazy? Disturbing your nap? You ready for milking pretty soon? This is Fluffy peeping out from underneath the fence. Here's my young bull laying here chewing his cud, growing up. He's got a bright future ahead of himself. This is Pet and Millie out here on the pasture, enjoying the afternoon sunshine and the green grass. Here we have Rose and Darky walking along the pond. They're thinking, must be milking time if I'm out here bothering them, so they're gonna walk up towards the barn. Tanzania, she's getting huge. She's gonna be our next milker. Hey, Darky. Oh, yeah. You gonna talk to me? You like this nice sunshine and this green grass, huh? Looks like Rose likes it. Wow. Look at that udder. Boy, you would think she would have a calf any day now. That udder should be a pretty decent milking machine right there. Hey, Tanzania. When's that calf coming, huh? That's your secret. You ain't telling me, are you? Nope. And then there's Pansy. She's straggling out here by herself. Loving the grass. Grass-fed camel's milk. Right here are the camels' dust bath, sand pit here they created for themselves to cover themselves with the sand to get rid of the bugs if they have it. They love this. It's lucky to catch them here rolling with the camera. So I guess we'll just show you the pit. Right here's a good view from out back. You can see the milkers heading up towards the front. They think I'm gonna be milking them here pretty soon. There's the calf that's gonna be mixed in with our venison this fall. Here is her mother. Nothing like a little bit of longhorn in there to make that meat good and lean. And here is the dry herd in the back pasture. And we have the bull showing off to me here. He's gonna roll around and show me that he's the big guy. Oh yeah. Hear him talking? Hey girlie, how we doing? This one here is gonna have a baby for us here pretty soon. You can see the size of her Right there walking away from me. Hey girlie, you a little bit shy there? This one here is trained to ride. Beauty is her name. Ah, there's our prior milker of last year. Carmel. Hey Carmel. Hey Carmel. How you doing? Hey Carmel. Oh yeah, you're so gorgeous. You're gonna show everybody how ugly you are. There's the mineral feeder and the deer blind slash feed room. Keep some dry hay out for them. And then down here in the corner you can see the water tank. I gotta pump it up from the pond now. Here's my little transfer pump where I can take the water out of the pond, and bingo! Put it right there in that tank for the camel to drink out of. And there's the water coming out of the pipe. The old bull, he's hurting me. He looks at me as another male, so he always stays really close to me. Makes things a little messy, but I guess that's the way he is. Life is good, huh, boy? I guess the tank is full. We'll see if Carmel wants a drink. Hi Carmel, you want a drink? Here is mother and baby eating grass around the same post. They can enjoy being together with only a wire in between them during the day here. Sunshine, little boys, and a pony goes good very well together. I got another one. Let me bring them on this side of you. Now stay on the outside of you. There you go. Got it? There we go. Now let me reach in here and get him. Hang on. Oh, there he is. That's another nice one. Okay, there we got him.